Hey Superstar learners! Today we'll be learning about the letter A sound. Guess what? The letter A sound is a superhero and it has so many powers because it can make different sounds. Let's go on a learning adventure. Are you ready? Come on in. Now, let's break down the different sounds of the letter A with energy and fun. The short A sound. This is a sound we hear in words like apple, cat, bat, and mat. It's a quick and snappy sound of the letter A. Are you ready to say it with me? Alrighty, let's go. Apple, apple, apple. Good job. The next stop is the long A sound. This is a sound we hear in words like cake, name, train, and rain. It's like we are stretching the A sound in these words. Now, let's stretch the long A sound like we are icing a cake. Are you ready? Okay. Ache, ache, ache. Good job. And that's a yummy cake. The third different sound that the letter A makes is the R controlled sound. This is where the A teams up with the letter R. And it gets a little bit different. Like car, park, farm, and star. Now, can we get ready to go on a ride together? Okay, hold on tight. Now let's say together. Car, 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 car. Good. Can you hear the R sound?